A number one title contender matchup has been announced for UFC light heavyweight division. Alexander Rakic, who is ranked number 3 in UFC light heavyweight division, is going to face former champion Jan Blachowicz, who is ranked on number 1, on March 26th. But it is still not clearly announced that whether it will be a 5-round main event for the fight night or a 3-round fight for any UFC pay-per-view card. But anyway it happens, it would be a really great fight. But there is a backstory. The day Jan Blachowicz lost his title against Glover Teixeira, the same day UFC reached out Anthony Smith for this fight. And Anthony Smith immediately agreed that he will take this matchup because he knew that whenever this fight happens, it will happen most probably after February or around the end of Feb. And he was recovering from a staph infection at that time, so it was an ideal opportunity for him, a fight with title implications. But that fight fell out because Jan Blachowicz did not want to fight Anthony Smith, and Jan Blachowicz has been able to make a really good choice. But there is a reason that he chose Alexander Rakic instead of Anthony Smith. Anthony Smith was not very happy about it when he heard that this matchup is going to happen, and he said that it would suck if Alexander Rakic gets this opportunity, somebody who has turned down a lot of fights. But he also has to understand that it is not Alexander Rakic that pulled out of the fight against Anthony Smith. Anthony Smith has to pull out against Alexander Rakic because he was going through a staph infection. Alexander Rakic wanted to fight so badly that he even chose to give Anthony Smith a rematch because he was ranked on number 4 and he was sitting without any fight. So it's not Alexander Rakic's fault that that fight against Anthony Smith did not happen, or Jan Blachowicz chose to fight him over Anthony Smith, because for Jan Blachowicz, Alexander Rakic fight will be more difficult as compared to Anthony Smith. I'm not trying to criticize or suggest that Anthony Smith is a bad fighter. He is an elite fighter. That's why he is ranked on number 4. But compared to Alexander Rakic, he will be an easy matchup for Jan Blachowicz. But instead of being Alexander Rakic fight being difficult for Jan Blachowicz, he chose this matchup because he understands that Alexander Rakic is ranked on number 3. And people respect that name. He's a really well-rounded fighter. His striking is really good. He's tall. He fights at range. He has very good understanding of range management. He uses his leg kicks very effectively, which Anthony Smith really knows because once he was at the receiving end of it. And at the top of that, he has a really good ground game. And with all of that, Alexander Rakic is a very intelligent fighter. He has shown that when he fought Jimmy Manuwa and Thiago Santos pushed John Jones to the brink of his limits. But Alexander Rakic fought Thiago Santos and he got the victory against him. Like, there are people who can say that that fight was not very exciting because it did not involve any brawl, and going into that matchup everybody was expecting that because Alexander Rakic can strike. Thiago Santos is a really good heavy striker with Muay Thai background, but people don't see that any brawl did not happen in that fight between Alexander Rakic and Thiago Santos because Rakic was able to neutralize him. Thiago Santos was not able to do a lot of things against him which he does against a lot of other fighters, and it takes a lot of skills to neutralize a world-class striker like that. So it was a difficult fight but easy choice for Jan Blachowicz to choose to fight Rakic. Since he is ranked higher than Anthony Smith, Rakic is ranked on number 3 and he is ranked on number 1. So if that fight happens and whoever who will win that fight will fight for the belt after Glover Teixeira and Jiri Prohaska, whoever will be the champion at that time. And another thing is that Anthony Smith and Jan Blachowicz has both fought Thiago Santos, and he has been able to knock both of them out. He knocked out Anthony Smith and he knocked out Jan Blachowicz as well. On top of that, Alexander Rakic has already a victory over Anthony Smith. So it's a clear thing, if you want to fight for the title next, then beat the highest ranked contender. Because if Jan Blachowicz fights Anthony Smith, even though he wins that fight, it won't do as much good to him as a win against Alexander Rakic will do. And it's really great to see that Alexander Rakic finally getting this opportunity to fight for his position to be next title challenger for UFC light heavyweight belt. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. I'll keep updating more.